Hi everyone, I hope you all are well. So any guesses for today's video? Well, it's gonna be fun and an interesting one. What happens in our day-to-day life or on daily basis, we use Windows in our systems. We are habited of using Windows in our systems. But when you go first to your labs in your college or somebody tries to learn Linux environment, you will have a different screen in front of you on your desktop or on your system. That moment you wonder yourself how to open it, how to manage it, how to close it, how to use it. Although it is very easy, but we can't ignore it. So we'll see how to start with Linux environment from this video. So let's start. So I'm starting my system. It is being started. Now I log in into the system. Now I'm gonna share the screen to you directly so that you can understand the things clearly. This is the screen you see when you switch on your system and log in into it. This is desktop basically. This is favorite section. You can see there are some applications present here. These two files, or you can say icons, are present on the desktop by default. Now here you can see there is an icon. It is showing me, it is set off. It will show all the applications present in the system. You see here it is showing me show applications. So do one click on it and it will show me all the applications present in the system like this. Now again click it to close. So it is closed now. Now I'll show you how to use an application. So open it by clicking. And which application I show you? Let's say text editor for now. So do one click. This is text editor. So do one click on it and it will be opened like this. See, it is open. So when you have to use some application, so go to that application and do one click on it and it will be opened for you and you can work with it. So like this, other applications also. So I'm closing right now. It is closed. Again, if you see, if I do right click on it, it is showing me some options. What these options are about? First one is new window, next is new document, and last is add to favorites. So this first option, new window. Suppose you already are working with text editor files and you need to open one new window to work. So select this first option, new window, to open a new window of text editor for yourself and you can work with it. Now next option is new document. Again, if you want to create a new document of text editor, you select this option. Last option is add to favorites. If you want to mount this text editor in this favorite section, you need to select this option. So I am clicking it one time. I'll click here and you can see it is mounted here and you will be notified here also text editor has been added to your favorites. Close it. So it is added here. Let me show you clearly by closing all the apps. See, it is mounted here. So people prefer to keep those applications in favorite section that they use very frequently so that they can access the application directly from the favorite section and they don't need to go in this applications set. So this way it is mounted. Now if we want to remove some applications in the favorite section, just do one right click on it and at last you can see it is showing me remove from favorites. So do one click on it and it will be removed. See, like this it is removed with one click and you will be notified like this, text editor has been removed from your favorites. close it. So like this. Now suppose you want to open some application. So no need to just go and scan all the applications and find manually that application and open it and use it. No, just go to this search bar and type the name of the software, type the name of the application you want to use. For example, I want to use Ubuntu software. So I'll type the name Ubuntu software in this search bar, Ubuntu. It is showing me some options related to this name Ubuntu, these many, but in particular I want Ubuntu software. So I'll click, I'll type the complete name like this, software, Ubuntu software. See, it is showing me particularly this Ubuntu software application and to me, and I'll click on it and I'll be able to use it directly. So it will save our time. This way we can save our time. Now close it. Anything else from this section? For now there is nothing. See, now we see, you can see there is a red dot. I have opened Google Chrome. Because of that, it is showing me a red dot. If I would have opened more than one, like if I would have opened two windows of Google Chrome, so it would have shown me two dots. So how many number of times you have opened an application, those many number of times these dots are present on the icon of that application, like this. So let me show you. If I open two files of this files by clicking new window, one more window is opened of files. So see, here it is showing me two dots. If you right click on it, it will if you select this all windows option, it will show me all the windows open for this files. So I'm closing one like this. Now if I click this files, it will show me the storage distribution like this. If you select the recent option, it will show me all the files I have worked on recently. Next one is starred. If I have starred some files as my favorite, it will appear here because I didn't have selected any file as my favorite. It is showing me nothing here. Next one is home, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, trash. Here you can see there is one option, other locations. If you want to see some files that is for system utilities or system purpose, that is not for users, so that you can see from here. That is not for user, that is for system usage. So you can check it from here. So this way, this all file distributions is shown here in this files. So I am minimizing it. Next is Ubuntu software. So it is a store of software for Ubuntu. If you want to install some software for your system, you can go here and you install that software from this store. Like I'm showing you how. So click on it one time. Now here you can type the name of the software you want to install. So you can install from here. Let me minimize it. Next one is VLC media player, and this is settings like this. Now here you can see it is showing activities. You can click it. So it is showing me all the activities I have opened. So this way you can see how many activities you have opened or how many applications you are working on, or if you want to discard some activities or application, you can directly discard, or you can monitor your activity. So for example, if you want to discard some activity, so like I want to discard this VLC media player, so I'm able to see here there is a close button. So just click here and it will be closed. So this way you can minimize your activities or you can monitor your activities. Next is here it is date and time. This section will show you date and time. If you click it, it will take you to adjust date or time like this. So here you are able to adjust your date and time according to your location. And if you want to close it, just do one click on it. So it is closed now. Next is, you can see there is a down arrow key at the top right corner of the desktop. So just click on it. You are able to see some options here. This is volume. You can adjust your volume. You can like this. This is microphone option. This is brightness option. You can adjust the brightness of your screen by adjusting this bar like this. You are able to see. Yeah. Now, this is Wi-Fi button. Next is Bluetooth. Screen is being shared because I am sharing my screen with you. It is showing me like this. This is battery option. Next is settings. You will see settings at two places. One at this place and one at this place. Like from here. This is settings. So I have mounted it here. So you will see settings at two places like this. So if you want to apply some settings for you, you can do from here like this. It is open and here you can apply some settings if you want some. The same thing you can do from here also. See, the same window has been opened. So you can apply settings from here also. Both the settings are same. Just here it is easy access and here it is mounted here. Now next option is lock. If you select this option, your screen will go off. By next, you press some key and then log in into it and then you can use it. Next option is power off or log out. You select this option and you click one time on this and further it will show you some other options like suspend, restart, power off and log out. So if you select suspend option, it will suspend your system. Like you need to press and your screen will go off and you need to use power button to make your screen on and then you can log in into it and use it. So this way it will work. Next is restart. Restart option is if you select this option, your system will restart, and this is power off. If you want to shut down your system, so you need to select this option. Next is log out. So if you select log out, so what happens? Your screen will remain on and you will be logged out. The current user will be logged out. So and the screen will remain on. So what you need to do? You just need to log in into it and you can use it. So this way. So how it is different from lock? How log out is different from lock? In lock, your screen will go off, but in log out, your screen will remain on. So this way you can use these options from here, top right corner. What else? Now, in Ubuntu Linux environment, by Ubuntu, I am using Linux environment. So whatever you want to do, you just need to do by terminal. Terminal is another application of Ubuntu, or I can say Linux environment. Whatever we do from terminal. So let me show you how it looks like. I'll just type it terminal. So you can see it is showing me the application terminal. I click on it and it is showing me whatever I have to do. I write command here and press enter button, so it processes the command and do the needful. This way you can see all the things happening step by step into your system. So this way, this is very helpful. And whatever we do, for example, if I want to install something in my system, I'll write some command in this terminal and press enter, and it will be processed and it will be installed, and I'll be able to see step by step everything happening in the system. And installation purpose, you can use terminal also, or if some software is available directly, so you can check here also in Ubuntu software. So this is the story of terminal. I'll close it. Now you go applications and you can see here there is a utilities application. When you click on it, I am able to see some applications inside. See these many applications inside utilities. So there is a option help. Here there is a application help. I click on it and it will open this window. Now if you want help for anything related to the guide, as a guide, you can see here Ubuntu desktop guide, you can check from here. So you see here your any help you want for your desktop. So it is showing me here files, folders and search, hardware and drivers, get more help, networking, web and email, install and remove software, and so on. You can check it according to your requirement, according to your doubt, whatever you require. And moreover, you see here, if I am pointing on calendar, it is also a link. It is also a link, and I can open it and I can take help related to calendar. So this way I can say this is a must check section. You uncover many opportunities, many things for yourself while you check this section. So it is a must check section and you check it for your further guidance. It will really help you to uncover many things for yourself. So I'm closing it right now. So we are done with introduction, and introducing you with this is a great fun for me. Have fun and start your journey with Ubuntu. Take a very good care of yourself. Bye bye.